Welcome. So today, just want to go over this trade I took on Euro USD. Going to walk you through the risk management as well. I used all of that good stuff. So keep it simple. I used a 1% risk on this trade. So risk 1% for this trade, and I was aiming for a 2% return. And this was a losing trade. So just walking you through it. EG, Euro GBP, was bearish. Okay, I mean, it's literally plummeting down. So this plummeting down is giving me the indication that the euro is weak. Now, if the euro is weak, I'm going to be looking to short the euro, right? So, I mean, technically, we did that did happen. So my basic outlook every day is to see Asian swept in a proper direction using a daily bias and targeting opposite end of Asia. Now, targeting doesn't always mean that I'm going to put my TP there. Okay, my TP is always at a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And because I've tested it many times, 1 to 2 just seems to work, and it's better for psychology as well. Okay, so knowing that EG or Euro is the weaker pair, and there was no major news today as well. Like yesterday was UK bank holiday, there was actually a GU loss. So that just shows that why would you trade the pound currency when it's a UK bank holiday? So knowing that on Euro, I wanted the Asian to get swept, Asian high. So Asian high technically got swept there, and we had, I don't know, some sort of potential entry there, but I want to see a sweep after kill zone starts. So starts here, it's like where 740, set around here. This is kill zone start. So this is the highest point of liquidity. Okay, so knowing that, when that got swept, then I was interested in looking for a trade. So I jumped down to the 1 minute after the sweep, and this is what I basically saw. So number one, we have a liquidity sweep right there, and a really nice one as well. Because if you look at this, if I just make this red, then we have a nice wick rejection, a doji sort of candle, and then a strong bearish engulfing sort of candle, right? A very strong bearish candle. And also an imbalance gets created there. So knowing all of that, I had a break in market structure right there. Got my fib tool out. Simple EQ entry right there. Now, if you put 4 pips, this would be interesting. You'd have, it'll be very close to your TP. Okay, TP's 2. It was very close to your TP, and then it eventually stopped you out. Okay, and then eventually went in the right direction. But I mean, sometimes you're going to be used as liquidity. Okay, that's just how it is. If you've tested the strategy and you know this is what is meant to happen, just execute the trade. Simple as that. So had all of this, but I actually had 5 pips, because what you'll see if you backtest it is that it comes very close to 4 pips sometimes. I don't want that risk on my account where it comes really close to 4 pips and then plummets, right? Just adding 1 pip is fine. So my whole trade looked like this. Okay, so it tagged me in around there, came in to quite a bit of profit, around, what was this, 1.5%. And then it just started reversing and then went up. Okay, this was a trade, nothing more to say about it really. Mechanical, high time frame on EG, all of that was correct. No major news that I should be aware of. So it's just a loss. Okay, and that's how it is, and nothing more needs to be said, and you just live and learn from these losses. That's how it is. Okay, so that was for today. Happy trading, stay safe. I will see you in the next one.